Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how I built this custom Modbus relay control enclosure along with a demo of the server-hosted web application I developed that powers it, allowing to operate this relay remotely over secure VPN connection. The core of this project is a Waveshare PoE-powered Ethernet relay module mounted inside a modified metal electrical enclosure for protection, cooling, and clean deployment. The goal behind this build was to create a reliable and professional relay control solution capable of remotely controlling professional AV devices over a secure VPN connection without eliminating local operator control. One important thing to note is that while the Waveshare PoE relay module does include a built-in web interface, it is mainly intended for initial setup and addressing, and it does not provide any type of relay control and deployment flexibility I was looking for. To solve that, I developed a custom server-hosted application I called SCP System Control Panel that provides a clean graphic user interface along with a relay management and real-world usability for the live environment this equipment is deployed. I modified the enclosure with panel-mounted DC connectors for quick disconnect and servicing capability, allowing controlled equipment to be connected and serviced cleanly without exposing internal wiring. I also added active cooling using an 80mm case fan along with a USB powered fan control to improve airflow and long-term thermal stability inside the enclosure. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of how this system was designed, assembled, and deployed. So currently connected over the VPN, I want to show you the control application I have developed and designed over 1 month to control the Waveshare relay module. I called it SCP System Control Panel. It has a basic but easy to follow interface. It is a server-hosted web-based application. It will show you your connection status, your box target IP. You would have your individual manual relay control section where you can operate each relay manually. I've also included a power control sequence where the first 3 of the relays have a on spacing of 8 seconds. Additionally, I have included Wake on LAN and have incorporated this so I can power AV booth computers and not have to leave them on 24/7. The key follower feature enables or disables local users from turning the systems on and off via the local key switches on the AV booth rack. Additionally, I have included the ability to control Wattbox PDUs. These PDUs come with various models. They have a 12 outlet model, 8 outlet model, and a 2 outlet model. This way I can control additional assets on the AV booth and have total control, especially over VPN. That way I can assist remotely during practices or troubleshooting sessions if needed. With that being said, that pretty much covers this project. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.